It's called the invaders.
Oh, I do remember this now.
It's called the invaders.
Okay.
Don't say anything about it. Point is, if I'm the other life form and I see humans, my first question would be, just given what I know about humans, have you come to colonize this planet? Because if that's your goal, that's not happening, okay? We will not let that happen, okay? Because we've seen what happens when you colonize stuff before.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So that's the first point. Second, that's interesting because that implies that the humans have more technology than the alien in that case.
Doesn't.
Yeah, because otherwise the aliens would have visited us first.
No, you're just jumping to conclusions.
No.
You're missing it. The question you got to ask is, really, you conveyed happiness by a little yellow circle with a smiley face called an emoji? Like, there are so many bigger questions that you could ask these people.
Yeah, that's true.
No, the colonization is a good point because nothing good ever has really happened from that. It's good and it's
But how about
bad.
this? I would say, how did you survive yourselves enough to then come visit another planet? That's what I would
Maybe
do.
what you would do is you would be hiding behind something and you'd say, how do you feel about brothers? You got to ask the black question because if they're not with the thing. No, maybe you just say, what part of are you from?
Oh, I see. Yeah, what part of the demographic?
Well, if you see them goose stepping down toward you, you probably know if you're a Jew or a black person. You may want to let them just pass.
Or gypsies or Catholics.
Catholic, pretty much anybody.
Yeah. Anyone non-Aryan.
Wouldn't you ask them how you got there, though? Seriously, what was your technology that got you to us?
I would assume they would see them land in something.
No, but you'd want to learn from them.
As a scientist, I would compare notes.
Yeah.
And I would do things. There's certain things that should be common between us, even if we don't otherwise
What
speak
is
the
this
same
thing you
language.
call tang? Like that kind of thing?
So, but how would I know that, though? That's what I'm saying. I don't know the Tang or the Kardashians or slip-on Skechers. I don't, unless he shows up drinking Tang.
Do you have to ruin every joke and party with your stupid logic?
With the Kardashian underarm and slip-on Skechers. Then I could ask, what's up with that?
Why can't you presume that this life form is smarter and has the ability to see what we've been doing?
Here's what I would say. I want to compare science notes because science transcends time and space in ways culture does not.
But it doesn't transcend Instagram. You got a big following.